The performance of the Samsung Galaxy S24 may differ significantly from other phones tipped to use the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, according to leaks from Yogesh Brar and Ice Universe. And it's because the alleged for Galaxy version that'll be exclusive to Samsung's 2024 flagship phones will run faster in some areas and slower in others. The good news is that the for Galaxy version of the new chip apparently has a higher speed prime CPU core and GPU. The CPU's highest performance core runs at 3.4 GHz in the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, compared to the base chip's 3.3 GHz chip, while its GPU runs at 1000 mAh instead of 900 mAh like the standard one. However, the potentially bad news is that the other performance and efficiency cores within the CPU run at slower speeds. The remaining 7 cores in the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy will run at 3.15 GHz, 2.96 GHz, or 2.27 GHz according to Brar instead of 3.19 GHz, 3.0 GHz, and 2.3 GHz like they do in the base version. If a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy exists, then Samsung's undoubtedly worked with chipmaker Qualcomm to tune the silicon to its demands. And it would appear that those demands are higher top-end performance, but a lower typical power output. This could be to reduce heat production or power consumption during regular use, which would hopefully mean better battery life and a more comfortable in-hand experience when using the phone for extended periods of time. However, we will only know for sure once we see some test results once the phone launches, as well as rival devices thought to be using the standard 8 Gen 3 chip, such as the OnePlus 12. These rumored different chip tunings in the Galaxy S24 will definitely be relevant to US users, but possibly not anyone reading this in the UK. Rumors indicate that Samsung will offer its own Exynos chip in at least the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus series outside the US, except possibly in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This is different from the current Galaxy S23 series, which uses Snapdragon chips worldwide, but is in line with the Galaxy S22 and earlier models, which had US users get the more powerful Snapdragon silicon in their Galaxy S phones while the rest of the world settled with the less effective Exynos variant. The January launch for the Galaxy S24 series has been rumored a little earlier than expected. Normally we'd see a new Galaxy S phone arrive around February, but if Samsung wants to launch its new phones early, one that will likely be one of the best phones around going by the rumors of titanium frames, LTPO displays on all models, and a new 50MP telephoto camera for the Ultra, we won't complain. What are your expectations for the Samsung Galaxy S24's performance and battery life with its unique Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 tuning? Do you think this approach will give Samsung a competitive edge in the market, and how will it impact your choice of smartphone? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting tech updates. I will see you in next one.